All right, I think we'll continue here with this Nordic or Brady HH85, just to give you a quick startup view of features that you should be aware of at least when you receive your reader. Now, when you receive it from ID integration, we will preset and pre-configure this unit so that it just pretty much works out of the box. But I do think it's important to understand where some of the generic Android settings are for this. So I'm going to go ahead and up again point out here on the live camera that here, I'll make sure you see that hopefully. The live camera's got buttons at the top, right? This is your power button. You can hold it to and just press it once to bring the unit back to display the screen. You can hold it to receive this message or this flyout where you can restart or power off. We're going to ignore that, okay? And you scroll up to bring it to its home page. I'm going to put this back down now to show you the buttons on the bottom, okay? All right, so when we deliver it, we usually pre-install the NordicID. I'll put this back here. The NordicID demo app is here. The Brady ATA app is here, a Chrome browser, and the settings button. You can do the same kinds of things with this device as you can with most other Android phones. Swipe down from the top to see different settings, including when you have a USB connection. You can tap on this item and you can change how you can interact with this unit. So if you want to be able to transfer files, which we will do in a later video, you'll click on File Transfer and then it will be visible in your File Manager program. Right now, if I look at my PC, I don't have anything for the HH85. And if I do that right now, I'm going to lose this display screen here. So I'm not going to do it right now. Again, we'll do that in a different video. So let's take a look at a couple of other things real quick. If you swipe up, you will see all of the apps that are installed. And this one here, App Center, that's a good one to use. And oops, I'm sorry. This is where you'll see where you can actually download the Nordic. Well, can you download the Brady app? I don't think you can actually right yet. Maybe you can, but you can get the Nordic app anyway. And the Brady RFID demo app, it doesn't work very well. It's currently at version 1 as of the end of May, and it's got all kinds of install bugs. So I would recommend avoiding that and just go with the Nordic ID app. This is also where you can get updates for your system, and you want to make sure that when you power up your system, go to the App Center and look for updates. You might find an Android update, system update, and it's very important that you put those in and update that, okay? So when you're done, you can, well, you can explore here a little bit longer if you want. There's, not really sure I've kind of gone through the full array of things here. If we go ahead and look at manage installed apps, I'm not sure we're going to really see anything. Let's try that again. There we go. You can actually see I've got Tag Assistant installed here. That's the Brady ATA app. And again, I don't like this one. This one is just crashing. So I'm going to see if I can get it to uninstall right there. Okay. So App Center is not bad. It's Nordic's version of the Google Play Store. And obviously you're not going to get a full array of things that you would see on the Google Play Store, but that's probably a good thing, right? So you've got this ID wedge service as well. This could be useful down the road outside of ATA if you want to be able to scan barcode or RFID information into your own web app or Google Doc or something like that. You would need this, and you can go ahead and I'm just looking for a new version here. I don't see any new version, so I think we're good there. So back down on the main, see if I can see this again. It looks like I bumped my camera out of view. So if you look at the main screen here, and apologize for the LED on the light, you've got a back button, a home button, and this is what shows your current list of apps, right? When you scroll through here, you can see which apps are installed and you can swipe up to delete those. So that's something also of value. I put a files folder on here as well so that when we do bring in the, let's say, updates to the Brady ATA app, that can be delivered in an APK file. Um, you would transfer it to this device either through your PC cable connection or maybe the SD card. There's also a configuration file, so it's not a bad idea to have access to this file browser app there as well. So I'm going to go back to the home page here. And I'm not going to go too deeply into this right now. That'll be another video, but I just wanted to give a quick overview of the interface itself within the NordicID app. And what we're really going to do in the next series of videos is explore the Brady ATA. They call it Tag Assistant sometimes. I've heard it called Tag Commander, but basically it's the Brady mobile app that allows you to read, encode, and even modify existing RFID tags for commercial aerospace. So this is the app we'll go through. I'm going to change the configuration a little bit here so that I can show you how it appears out of the box and why we in ID integration provide a configuration file to simplify that. Okay.